On May the 7th,
Green!
Hello, Hannah. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Fantastic to see you here in Rochdale. I believe it's your first time you came here as an MP. So, what's your impression of Rochdale?
I love Rochdale. I've been here many, many times, but as you say, this is my first trip now since I've become the Green MP in the North. And I love it here. The people here are amazing. I think it's that spirit of humanity and people looking after each other and looking out for each other, and we see it here. All the amazing people that have come out tonight to knock on people's doors and listen to people's concerns.
And have you noticed that we are different, all of us, so we're from all different backgrounds, but we get along really well with each other. Unlike people say in media, Rochdale, people are friendly, right? That's great, isn't it?
It is, right? And you've got the sunshine as well.
Well, everybody says, you live in Rochdale, so it's always raining in Rochdale. Where is the rain? Show me that.
Right. I was going to say, so you came to Gorton and Denton, didn't you, during the campaign? And you have been so active here, sort of getting that message of hope out to people, especially now that people can see that voting Green is a credible, hopeful option.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, so how are you feeling?
I'm feeling really positive, and because you're here, and I was surprised to see you when you came here, because you noticed it's first time I seen you an MP. I thought that, you'll be coming in with a motorcade or anything like that. But you came in a little car, didn't you? Driving yourself, though nobody else was driving you. So you're the same person, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're not changed one time. They didn't try to do anything to you over there in the Parliament.
I wouldn't let them.
You're same person. Yeah. And you're not a millionaire or billionaire, are you? But you won't be coming in that car if you're a millionaire, would you?
That is very true.
So because when you see our social media, they say all sorts of things about me, about you as well. So it's great to see the normal people. We're common people, aren't we? We're still the same.
And exactly, and we're just working together, and that is the best thing we can do in the world of misinformation and lies. Actually getting out and talking and listening to people is the best medicine.
Real people, so don't bother about all those bots that put comments in their negative comments in your videos, but you're a real person, aren't you?
So
nice to have you over here.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. And we're always together. We're always going to stick with each other.
Exactly. So you came to Gorton and Denton to help get me elected, and now I'm here to help get you elected.
Fantastic. Really, really pleased to see that. Do you know that I'm standing in Baldstone and Kirkholt, this ward over here, as the local Green local candidate, and you're winning with landslide over there. It's already helped me a lot, because people know you, people know me as well, because we've been there together. Thank you.
Thank you.